This is reassessment for forces. Here we have cars being towed by another car at an angle from the horizontal of 15 degrees, but the angle of elevation from the ground is a 10-degree angle. So for here, if we turn the X and Y axis tilted to where it's level with the ground, then it's going to make that angle of the tension a 5-degree angle. And then at theta 1, 10 degrees on the incline is going to go, it's the same as this angle right here, theta, due to gravity. And to start off, we know that sum of the forces is equal to 0 because there's no acceleration. Sum of the forces is the normal force plus the tension force plus the mass of gravity, because it's the three forces we have acting on it. And your sum of the force in the x direction is your tension times the cosine, because it's adjacent over the hypotenuse. And your theta 2, this is the angle of your tension, and then minus your mass of gravity because it's going down, sine of theta 1. Sine because it's opposite, which is your y. I mean, it's your x. This vector right there. And that's equal to 0. And from this, you can find your tension. And your tension, if you just add the mass gravity sine of theta on this side and divide by cosine of theta 2, you can figure out your tension by plugging in what you know. This is 1250 kilograms, and then you know both your angles. That's 218 newtons. That's your tension. And you can go right here to find the sum of the force in your y direction. It's equal to 0. And sigma f of y equals, these are all vectors. And sum of forces in the y direction is normal force plus t sine of theta, sine because you're using your y's for that angle, and minus mass of gravity cosine because you're using your y, which is adjacent, equal to 0. And your normal force is, if you can get the normal force alone, just subtract this to the other side and add this to the other side, and that'll give you, plug in what you know. Tension is 218 newtons times sine's 5 degrees plus your mass times your gravity. So it's times 9.8 actually. And then 1250 times 9.8 times cosine of 10 degrees. That actually gives you 12,063. There you go. Minus 19, 12. So your normal force can equal 12,044. And that is in newtons. That is your normal force and your tension.